So we are aspiring, Gopi Anugata. We're following the footsteps of the gopis in Ragamarg under the shelter of our beloved Gurudevs and the Advaita Parivar, Nityananda Parivar, one of the traditional Gaudiya Parivars. So we're making inquiries. So when we meet a saint or a sadhu, then we say, oh, Sadhu Thakur, Bharabhakt, or a great devotee, Babaji Maharaj, please, can you show me, how can I attain Radharani? How can I see Radharani? This is the question. Not, can you teach me music? Can you can you tell me a lila about Vrindavan? You want to, because they are here for the same purpose we are here. Sadhus are here to see Krishna and Radharani, and to attain spurti and vispurti. And many have seen. And we don't know. We can't tell. We visit this great sadhu or this great Babaji. We don't know. They may be grihastha, they may be sannyasi, they may be whatever. But we should ask, our question should be the same. The gopis are talking to big, big trees. Ashwat, Krishna, Vishnu, Ashwataham, Briksha, Ashwataham, Krishna says in Gita, I am the Ashwat. They're approaching big, big personalities and little arka plant, poisonous arka plant, and tulsi, most mangalam tulsi, auspicious tulsi. And only the same question, can you show me Krishna? Where is Krishna gone? And they're desperate, but they don't lose hope. They keep searching and they keep inquiring. So that we can learn. That's the shiksha. That's the teaching. Gopi shiksha.